Namaskar and a very good evening. So today we have Sarthak and his parents and his sister. Sarthak is here to prepare for his intermediate for September attempt. So we found this interesting because the parents have taken a fantastic decision to put one son into CA and daughter into medicine. So we just want to have an interesting discussion on how it goes. So Sarthak, what made you choose CA? Or who made you choose CA?
Obviously, it was not my own decision, but seeing my brothers doing this, so I got an interest.
Mm.
So later on, I decided that it would be like worth to hard work if I choose CA and I'll do, rather than my main aim was to go into IIT,
Okay.
but rather I switched to this.
Mm.
So yeah, that's it.
And Vijaya, from your perspective, like, how did you get into medicine?
There is main inspiration is my parents to fulfill their dreams. It was my decision to fulfill their dreams, so that is how I got into medicine.
So when you look at each other, you understand the curriculum, right? As parents, what, because it's a constant debate, is CA the toughest course or medicine the toughest course? So according to you, what is tougher and क्या फर्क है इन दोनों का schedules में पढ़ाई में?
पढ़ाई में
अभी तो हमको लग रहा है कि CA is somewhat different compared to medicine.
Even I understood CA is more tougher than medicine. Easy, MBBS बहुत easy है लेकिन CA बहुत hard है.
So I think we agree with this.
No, sir. MBBS is tough.
I don't know.
So doctor is saying CA is tough. Now the CA is saying medicine is tough. This is good. Now when you observe his schedule, because medicine is an entry exam. You crack, and then you're sorted for the next 5.5 years. Now CA is like घुसना आसान है, बाहर आना मुश्किल है. So what do you think is difficult from this perspective? Inverted exam or a regular exam?
I mean, yeah, it's obviously no much idea of it, but then I think it's difficult. Maybe clearing routes and missing by 1 or 2 months.
Yes.
That's more difficult. And need to get again 1 or 2 months supplementary exam, and you could crack board exam, but they don't have that chance. They have to take another year.
6 months.
That's all hard.
Yeah, to full subjects.
All subjects.
So Sarthak, what made you say that medicine is difficult? Like, why do you think it's difficult? Harder than CA?
By seeing her, we can see. The day she starts with books, and she ends the day with books only.
Even after
Years after.
Okay.
Today, just now, like morning 5 to 12, she was studying. 12, she went to the hospital. Now 8:30, we picked up from the hospital. That was her schedule.
And one thing I'm observing is, we're looking at her, we know that she's a doctor. For CA, there is no identity. Lawyer, there is identity. Doctor, there is identity. We should figure out something. This is something which we will have to work upon. In general, my wife, being a doctor, I understand. I also agree with Sarthak's viewpoint that to complete this course, medicine is a lot more grueling because an emotional aspect comes into picture. Like, you interact with humans and something is wrong with anyone, they come in and then you have to process that. Now, see, at least some random guy losing some money and not paying taxes. It's fine, XYZ. So here it's real humans. So that way it is hard to process, and I believe your preparation also has a lot of memory component, right? There is memory, there is application, and all those 19 subdivisions of them, right? So all of that way, yes, to complete the course, I believe it is hard. And I think the 5.5 years of syllabus becomes a single exam.
Yes.
Like when you talk about NEET, like this is important. We complain about 3 hours exam, 1.5 day gap, but for them 5.5 years of syllabus in just 3.5 hours.
Yeah.
Now make it or break it. So we have 5 opportunities, the 6 opportunities. Like one exam goes well, and then aggregate. वहाँ पे तो बिल्कुल मैं एक ही shot में. By the time you realize what happened, you have to get those 200 questions right. And best part is the cost of mistake. Now CA में अगर एक attempt चले गया तो you pay another 3,750. यहाँ पे between A category and C category, it's like there's no comparison. Like it's a 10x difference. So these are the differences at the course level. Now in terms of prospects, which profession do you think has better prospects?
Medicine, sir.
Why?
So you're dealing with a life, as I said, and you get back that treat a patient,
Hmm.
the satisfaction you get back.
Hmm.
It's-
Okay, in terms of satisfaction.
Yes, sir.
Any thoughts on that?
So like we're dealing with the economy
Hmm.
of people and also the
Hmm.
in at which level you're working based on that. We're dealing with the economy and satisfying people. We also do, but we do in some monetary terms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So a healthy CA doesn't need a doctor, but every doctor needs a CA. But eventually, yes, because we always say doctors are not the healthiest, CAs are not the wealthiest. Generally, doctors are more wealthy than CAs normally, and the other way around. So CAs maintain the health and nobody agrees. So while it comes out eventually, we never know. But in terms of profession, there are a lot of similarities in terms of how you build it. It takes some time to set up. You always have a corporate career which you can pick up, or you can start something on your own. So there are a lot of variations. Now this is an endless debate. Now. Coming to you as parents, why not the other way around? Why not Sarthak as doctor and why not Vijay as CA? Like, how did you choose how to assign this?
Actually, she's more interested from 6th class,
Acha.
5th or 6th class.
Acha.
So even means we are not made not that much, but her teachers and all they
Yeah.
are made motivated
That's good.
for this. Actually, means they have decided
Right.
from 9th class.
Okay, teachers have said.
Which school? So we have just supported
Okay.
for that.
The same thing.
Yeah, I got selected for medical on some batches and everything. It's Chaitanya.
From 7th class.
Okay.
So that's why they also got inspired.
So the school decided that
Yeah.
I'm not
So
going
then my
to.
parents started.
कुछ इस बारे में मतलब आपको कभी भी डर नहीं लगा क्या मैम दोनों मुश्किल है ना कोर्सेज
हाँ, बहुत डर लगा।
कैसे वो हैंडल किया
बाद में डर लगा उसके पूरा हो गया तो कुछ डर नहीं लगा
हम्म।
लेकिन फेल होने के बाद सार्थक के लिए थोड़ा
अच्छा,
टेंशन हो गया
होने के बाद पहले तो नहीं था
कॉन्फिडेंस था ये बहुत होशियार है वैसा भी कर सकता है
हम्म।
कॉन्फिडेंस था
So
Both are equally almost.
ये इतना हार्ड है होशियार लोगों को भी हरा देता है ऐसा
तो one thing which we have to do is वो डर निकालना है
हाँ।
and CA hard बोल के किसी ने वो भी निकालना है
हाँ, वो भी निकाल
वो भी निकालना है तो follow up video में these are the two targets. मैम अभी तो now you have someone who is already studying really well at home. अभी सार्थक को यहाँ छोड़ने का decision क्यों लिया? मतलब क्यों यहाँ पे छोड़ने का decision लिया?
कोई भी एक अच्छा सर मिले तो ये डिसीजन लेंगे बोल के मैं पहले से ही सोच रही थी
Okay, that's nice.
कोई तो भी ऐसा मिल जाएगा
हम्म।
ये हम उसको ये करेंगे वो होशियार है उसको
हम्म।
फिर डायरेक्शन का जरूरत है
हम्म,
कोई तो भी ये करे तो ये करेंगे
That's nice.
आपको देख के तो लगा कि
Actually,
कर सकते हैं
मतलब बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं वो।
बहुत हार्ड वर्क आप जितना करो बोल तो उतना करता है
हम्म,
आप करेंगे ऐसा लगा आज के पूरा ये करेंगे
हमको बाद में लगा कि शायद उसको थोड़ा ये मोल्डिंग का जरूरत है
हम्म,
तो जैसा आप बताया वो स्ट्रेटेजी में
आप जो बोले वो सही लगा
Okay.
हम्म।
So is there any internal competition? You have another 3 more years to clear CA. You also have 3 more years to clear. Who will get settled first or something like that? Probably from this point is the same, right?
Nothing like that.
Should we create one?
No.
I'll be happy. I'll be the most
Most
happiest
happy.
person if he settles once.
What's the age gap between you?
2 years.
2 years. Yeah.
सीज elder.
That's one thing, matlab, for you the settlement cycle is very long, right? Even if you do everything at once, it's like 9-10 years. That's one thing which you have to endure. So we'll conclude this at this junction. My point of taking this video is when you have different professions, there's always, because most of the CA students get stuck in a static state that this is the most difficult exam, but you'll have to go through the curriculum of medicine, you have to go through the curriculum of civils and other curriculums to understand how difficult there are certain professions are all about. But for now, yes, it has been a healthy debate so far, and I really appreciate both the parents for putting their sons in one of the like son and daughter in the two most prominent careers. Like when you think about a professional CA doctor, dono hai. I think one thing is just left out as civils. Probably one of you should try if at all you want to. That would be good. If you're already exhausted. So yes, ma'am. So as we promised, September you'll be able to once you come back, you can pick him with CA inter both the groups.
Thank you.
That is something that is going to happen.
Thank you so much.
So thanks for trusting us, and we'll make sure we reach your expectations and exceed them like the way we do. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.